it's actually very easy to come and be an author for the SBA section for RCEMLearning. There's guidance available at every point from the editors. If people come along to a writing day, that's great to get them started.
What I've learned from this is it really helps prepare for exams and for revision. It's also great for your portfolio, so you can help tailor it towards interviews that you're applying for. And it gives you something extra that's above the standard requirements for training.
I'm Yasmin Sultan, and one of the SBA section editors, and I've been involved in the SBA RCEMLearning section since 2011 now. And today we are running an SBA writing day with the other editors.
My name's Tim Osborne. I'm an RCEM member, and I've been writing content for the RCEMLearning website since about 2012. And then recently I've become one of the SBA editors as well. So working with these two to edit the content.
Hi, I'm Fiona Mentis, an emergency medicine doctor. I'm an SBA section lead, and I've been an SBA editor and writer for a few years now.
Most of us healthcare professionals like to learn, find it easier to learn when we're using real cases or simulated cases and trying to think about situations from that point of view. And so the SBA section on the website is a really good learning resource because it uses kind of simulated patient cases to make you think about how to manage serious conditions. And by actually learning how to write questions for the website, it really puts you in the mindset of the exam setters. So it's useful not only for learning medicine, but also for thinking about how exams are made and using it to revise, and also using it to teach other clinicians.
By coming to a day, you're able to work in groups with other potential authors, so it's really helpful to bounce ideas off each other and to refine your questions. It's enjoyable, it's pleasant networking for people. It's a way of getting people started with SBA writing. It makes it much more approachable, and we aim to get the content published as soon as possible. So that's that encourages people writing. I think people find it an enjoyable way to create e-learning. And particularly the SBA section, it has a huge readership. It's accessed all over the world. So if you put a publication out there about something interesting you've seen, a difficult diagnosis that you've made, a rare condition, you're teaching people all around the world, and hopefully they will make that diagnosis. So your impact is massive.
I think it's a huge benefit because it allows you to put your mind frame in the idea of what the examiner is writing for you. So if you're preparing for exams, it's a really good revision. It also helps you when you're on the shop floor as a clinician because you want key focused learning.
So there's a wide array of content on the RCEMLearning website, but there's also large sections of the curriculum that we haven't got content on. And if you go to the contribute page on the RCEMLearning website, you can find out how to submit cases or exam questions, and you can find guidance on which areas might need to be covered.